We've all seen and used crosswalks before, but they may not be as easy to spot as you think.
This is a crosswalk, and so is this. And this is one too. And same here. And of course, this one here as well. Now you may even see some that look a little bit different, just like this one. And this one too. But did you know this is also a crosswalk? And this too.
Now, you may be thinking, wait, that's not right. There is no crosswalk here. Well, according to the Texas Transportation Code, there is a crosswalk at these locations, even if it's not marked with lines or other markings. That means that all four-way intersections with a sidewalk have a crosswalk, even if it's not marked with lines. So how do you identify these unmarked crosswalks? An easy way is to think about how the sidewalks would extend across the road to meet with the sidewalk on the opposite side of the road. So again, that means there is a crosswalk at a location like this, and also at a location like this.
However, that also means when crossing at a point other than a four-way intersection or a marked crosswalk, you must yield the right-of-way to vehicles. Before crossing any street, always make sure there is an acceptable gap in traffic to safely cross the street and that approaching motorists are yielding the right-of-way to you. Remember to walk, bike, and drive safe to save a life. Join us online or through our social media channels to learn more.